Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickBooks Desktop detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling QuickBooks Desktop, open the Windows Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar and click on the Control Panel option. In the Control Panel window, find and select Programs. Click on Programs and Features to see a list of installed programs. Scroll through the list until you find QuickBooks Desktop. Once located, click on QuickBooks Desktop to select it. At the top of the window, click the Uninstall button. A confirmation window will appear. Click Yes to proceed. The QuickBooks Uninstaller wizard will launch. Follow the prompts provided by the Uninstaller wizard. When prompted, choose the option to remove all components of QuickBooks if desired. Click Next to continue. The uninstallation process will begin, which may take a few moments. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation message that QuickBooks has been uninstalled. Click Finish to close the wizard. To ensure all components are removed, restart your computer. After rebooting, open Windows Explorer. Navigate to the folder where QuickBooks was installed, usually under C:\program whitespace files /intuit. Finally, check for any QuickBooks services that may still be running and end them through the Task Manager. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.